Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So if it's for a particular person, let's say this one, what you want to do is tap on that chat and it's going to look something like this. And then at the top right, you see these three dots. Click on this one and then click on disappearing messages. As you can see, so message timer, if you want, you can set it for 24 hours. And what this means is that for 24 hours, whatever you type in, it's gonna be disappeared. Even for 90 days it can happen. And then as you can see, try a default message timer, which is the same thing, and this is how you can do it. But let's say that you want to do it for everyone. So what you want to do is tap on the three dots and then go to your profile settings. After that, click on privacy, and then you see this disappearing messages option. Just click on this one, and then whatever timer you pick, what it will happen is that your message timer is going to get turned on for everyone, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.